This is one of the easiest SAT writing points to grab and one of the easiest to give away. A pronoun, one little word like it, its or their, has to agree with the noun it stands for. Get the match wrong or leave it unclear, and a free point is gone. Every pronoun is a stand-in. It points back to a noun called its antecedent. Two things have to be true. First, they must match in number. A singular noun takes a singular pronoun, a plural noun takes a plural one. Second, the reference has to be clear, pointing to exactly one noun. So on every pronoun question, your first move is simple. Find the antecedent. Look at this. The museum reopened last spring and blank new exhibit drew record crowds. The antecedent is the museum and a museum is singular. So the pronoun must be singular and show possession. It's no apostrophe. Now the trap choices fall. It's with an apostrophe means it is, that's a contraction, not possession. There is plural, but a museum is one thing. There means they are, the answer is its. Here's the method for any pronoun question. 1. Find the antecedent, the noun the pronoun replaces. 2. Match the number, singular or plural. 3. The big SAT trap, collective nouns. A team, a company, a committee, a jury, they name a group, but on the SAT they count as singular. The company raised its prices, not their prices, and never confuse its with its. It shows possession. It's only ever means it is. Your turn. The orchestra tuned blank instruments before the concert began. What replaces the blank? First, the antecedent, the orchestra. Is that singular or plural? An orchestra is a collective noun, a group treated as one, so it's singular. That kills there and there. Now, possession without a contraction, it's no apostrophe, not its, which means it is. The answer is its. Same move every time. Three traps to know. 1. It's versus its. It's with an apostrophe always means it is. Possession is its, no apostrophe. 2. Collective nouns. Team, company, jury, group, all singular on the SAT, so they take it's not there. 3. An unclear pronoun. If she, it, or they could point to two different nouns, the sentence is wrong until it names just one. So 3 steps. Find the antecedent, match the number, keep the reference clear. Watch collective nouns and never mix up its and its. It's a free point once you see the pattern. Start free and drill a set at satclimb.com. Keep climbing.